Powers and exponents. Powers are numbers expressed using exponents. So this is just a review from last year, but when we have a square that has equal dimensions, we can express that base as 2 with 2 of those, which represents 2 times 2. Then we could take that square and extrude it into a third dimension that has an equal length, making a cube, and so we have 2 times 2 times 2, which we say that there are 3 2's. So we have a couple of examples here. Say I have 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. Well, this is equal to a base of 6 raised to the 1, 2, 3, 4th power. That means that this is repeated multiplication 4 times. So this is my base, and this is my exponent. This whole thing is called my power. What if I were to go backwards and write powers as products? For example, 5 squared. What does that mean? That means we're doing repeated multiplication of 5 twice. So this is equal to the base 5 twice. Not 5 times 2, but 5 itself twice. And so we know that this is equal to 25. Another example might be when we have a decimal, like 1.5, and say we cube that. Well, that would be 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5. It's the base multiplied by itself 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Then we have one more example. Where we might have a fraction, like 1/2, raised to the 3rd power. This is the same thing as saying 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. And this is equal to 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1, over 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. And so the answer is 1/8. And this answer here is actually 3.37.